Hello guys, good morning. I hope you and your family are well. Okay, today I'm gonna talk about Unit 12, Lesson 2. We talked about Unit 12 and we said that the kind of materials and we have metal, glass, chair, wood, paper, okay? For example, for computer, you can say metal, you can say glass, and you can say plastic also. But for paper, just you can say paper, and you can pick up the glass, recycle the paper, put the rubbish in the glass, okay? And now this lesson 2 is about the children. They picked up the rubbish in the Burton wood. They are cleaned the Burton wood, okay? 2 weeks later, it's our 5th day here, okay? It's our 5th day, and I think we need 3 or 4 more days, okay? We worked very hard. We picked up the rubbish. We put the rubbish in bags, okay? We have some past verbs here, okay? For example, worked by ed, it will be past. We worked very hard. We picked ed, also we have past verb. We put, also we have past verb, put, okay? If you make this sentence to negative, how we make it? It's really easy by adding between subject and verb it should be verb base. You can say we didn't work very hard, okay? We didn't work very hard. We didn't pick up the rubbish. We didn't pick up the rubbish. We didn't put the rubbish in bags. The same thing for present and past. Put, the same thing for present and past, okay? I'm worried about her. I'm worried about her. Also, we have worried. If we make to negative, it will be I didn't worry about her. I didn't worry about her, okay? If we make it to a question, it's really easy. We can write did at the beginning of the sentence, and after the subject comes after did, okay? For example, did you worry about her? Did you worry about her? Okay? Kathy didn't work hard. Look at the verb. It's verb based because we have didn't, because we can't put 2 past verbs together in one sentence, okay? If we have didn't or did for question, the verb should be verb based. Kathy didn't work hard, okay? My mom and dad are in the car park. Let's talk to them. Okay, and this is about what they picked up or they recycled the paper. And this one, it's about things your friends and family didn't do yesterday. For example, my friend didn't listen to music yesterday. My sister didn't play computer games. My father didn't go to the work, okay? And this lesson also about the sound me and ne. Words with me and ne. 9 notebook is next to the nuts. My mother is reading a magazine. No, rose is in May, not in May. In March, not in May, okay? And this read the instructions for recycling at the school. Did this class make any mistakes? Okay, in this picture we have 3 boxes, different colors. We have a green, blue and red, okay? This recycling boxes, okay? Put plastic in the blue box, okay? Just plastic in the blue box, okay? But we have her clothes. Put glass and metal in the red box, okay? Put glass and metal in the red box. It's also mistakes. Put paper in the green box. Just put paper in the green box, but we have also glass and we have wood. Don't put clothing in the recycling box. Don't put. Also, there are mistakes here. Don't put wood in the recycling box. Don't put wood in the recycling box. Also, we have wood. They didn't put glass in the red box. They didn't put. They put in the green box. Also, they have many mistakes in the recycling boxes. Okay, let's talk about the time. Also, we have some pictures. You can write more events in the paper. It is birthday and it's picnic. That's all. And it's about the time. You know the time. We have. You can say it's 2:30, and you can say it's 2:30. Okay. What time is it, please? It's 2:40. You can say that. Also, in Unit 30, Lesson 1, Unit 30, Lesson 1, it's about the preposition of places, okay? We have some places here. For example, castle, supermarket, clothes shop, zoo, museum, funfair, library, swimming pool, okay? Museum, funfair, library, swimming pool. Okay, for example, let me ask you, where's the swimming pool? Where's the swimming pool? You can say it's next to the library, okay? Or where's the museum? Museum, you can say it's between the clothes shop and between the library. Or where's the woman? This woman, it's between the library and swimming pool. Preposition of place. Where's the museum? It is next to the fun fair. Talk about your town. There's a museum. You can talk about your house, okay, and your town, your city. There's a museum on Salem Street. There isn't a swimming pool, okay? Okay, this one, we can't find Kathy. Oh no, there she is. I'm sorry, I went to the town. Also, we have went past the simple, okay, but when it's a regular verb, okay, by adding ed it will not be past, it's irregular. Did you go with your mother? No, I didn't, okay? Did you go with your mother? No, I didn't. It's a question. Kathy, you're very young. It isn't safe. I'm sorry, but there is a little hedgehog near the river. It can't walk. Okay? Did you go to the library? I wanted information about hedgehogs. We have also past verb wanted. Okay, if we make it to present, it will be want. Yes, I did. I found out a lot of information. That's good. Let's go and see the hedgehog now. Okay, I did. Also, we have did. It is past simple. Found, also we have found. It's past simple also. If we make it to present, it will be find, and did, it will be do.